everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. I would like to give a big shout out to Jana Mae from J. Marie Designs for my shirt and for my lovely cup that she created for me. And I guess this is a threat to you, Jana. You will be dressing me for my lives from now on, so when I need business shirts, I'm giving you a call. And if you haven't checked out her Facebook and her YouTube, please do. She's amazing. We are going to do a elf wreath, an elf mantle with the wreath and the garland and the whole 9 yards. First of all, I'm going to start with, I added the 2 command hooks earlier for my fall mantle. With this one, I'm going to need a 3rd. So here's how you add your command hooks. You pull the back off this, and then you add that right here, and then you pull the back here, and we will put that in the center. Because our lovely bow that Miss Barb from Bling Your Door Decor made is just too heavy to not be supported by a hook. This garland was created on one of my lives. And I'm going to just fluff the bow out by putting my fingers in the loops, because me putting that on the hook has flattened it, of course. So I'm going to quickly fluff this and just put your fingers in the loops and pull out. And flatten out the tails. And this is our garland. I just straighten out the tails as I go down the garland to make sure they're not tangled. And then giving it a look that there's a few that got tangled as I hung it, as I moved it. Okay, now we're going to add first an arrangement that I've made. This is available in my Etsy shop. The wreath is, and the garland will soon be added to the Etsy shop as well. And then I'm also going to add this elf hat that will also be in my Etsy shop to this side of our mantle. And then last but not least, I'm going to add these to I'm going to add these to our garland as the finishing topper of our garland. It's a little boy elf and a little girl elf. I'm going to add one setting there and one setting over here. I'm just twisting it up in the back. I'm going to let Thad do a close-up scan of the entire garland, the arrangement, and the mantle. These are all available, will all be available in my Etsy shop for Christmas. And that Buckeye Girls Wreaths thing, or you can also find my Etsy shop at BuckeyeGirlsWreathsA.com. But this will be listed in my Etsy. The wreath will be listed, the arrangement, and the elf hat will be listed as well if you want any of these for your home decor for this Christmas. And of course, you know I'm a designer by my outfit. I got a beautiful Christmas hat and a Halloween shirt on. But this is available and it would look gorgeous in anybody's home, on anybody's mantle, for anybody's decor this year. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up because I have my cameraman Thad Sawinski on the camera today. I'm pretty lucky. Did you get a nice shot of the wreath? Close up?
I'll get one. I gotta get up there.
Yeah, get a nice shot of the wreath. It's a cute wreath. It matches that wreath, and this garland is a perfect match for each other. If you want a great thing for your mantle display. Next week I'm doing the garland, a rustic garland, and I'm also going to start working on our Christmas tree. Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe and thank you for tuning in. Bye.